Sorry, sir, but we are only using cash. We don't accept cards.
Wala kang cash.
But I thought you're rich. Hello po.
Yan po. Katayin po nga ni Bambi.
She's there. Outside.
Pupunta ako ng Robinson's Gallery. Meron pala dito.
Hi, ate. Hindi ako pinag. She's busy. Hi. Hi, Mark. Are you busy also?
Yeah, I'm hoping that this one will do.
What's that? What card?
Go card.
Oh, go? From what bank?
I forgot.
Is that new? How much?
1,800.
And let me see the one that you bought.
It's a secret.
Oh, share your secrets to others
What it is.
so that they'll be as good looking
It's a key to blue life and longer life.
people as he is. There, oh, yung ano na yun. Yung guy na yun over the poster.
Goes up that.
No, I'm talking about the people watching this, that will soon be watching this.
Power ka.
So this is your secret.
7:30.
Both of you, you're using these products.
Bambi is
why-
asking me to buy her this vitamin, but she didn't really give me any money.
But you just bought it anyway, right? Out from
I
the
don't have
goodness of
money.
your
I don't have extra.
wallet. So that's why these things keeps you younger looking.
You know what? This one is a good vitamin. Vitamins for the hair.
You're using that as well.
Yeah, I tried it before.
How
Puro
come?
si Bambi katok ng katok.
Actually, she's in prison there. She looked like someone who not have the ability to get out of the room. So that's how you sign.
Yes.
Oh, stop joke. I will sue you. Falsification of documents.
At 24 card.
Pag cash.
25 yata pag cash.
Ganun din po.
At 20 rin. Ba't nakatago siya?
So look at that one. That's why.
Ano gusto niyo? English or Tagalog?
Bisaya.
English lang Tagalog.
Kala ko Bisaya, Ilocano.
Watchtower, no? What is Armageddon? Tapos ikaw naman Tagalog. Gusto mo na Tagalog?
Malan bus ko mo unawaan.
Sige po.
Thank you po.
Sorry.
What have you done? Bye po, ate. Bye-bye po.
Bye po. Thank you.
Bye, Mark.
Bye. Maybe you can stop the video.
Yeah, that's why I said bye.